Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Layla, and for today's video, we're going to be going over all of my earnings from September 2022. Okay, so specifically my online and extra income earnings. For September, I'm going to start with my online/business income. I also realized that the last couple of months I've been categorizing one piece as extra income when it should be business income. So I'll talk about that when I give you the overall online income update. But let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to go from smallest to largest. I do have 2 blogs, 2 YouTube channels. I do financial coaching, and between all of that, I also make income from other sources. So affiliate income, courses I sell, etc. Okay, smallest for September, unfortunately, was coaching this month, and that was $75 even. I do have spots open for coaching. I'm also gonna start opening up some other options, so I'm excited about that, but I'll let you all know as time goes, but not ready for that yet. Next smallest is Mediavine. Mediavine puts display ads on my blog, livingLikeLayla.com. And that was low, $92.33. This is passive at this point because I don't write for Living Like Layla right now. So it's just ad revenue that comes in without me doing anything, which is nice. Next smallest are affiliate sales. So affiliates, and that was $206.70. So this is where the difference comes in for August and July, because I realized that I was putting the Talent Stacker affiliate income under extra income when that definitely should be online/business income because it's directly related to this YouTube channel that you're watching. Since I filmed a review of the Talent Stacker program for this channel, and that's where the bulk of the people, that's where people sign up for Talent Stacker. That's where I'm getting my sales from. So definitely wanted to start including that under online/business income, and I do have to adjust the tracker that I have in the back of this, but I'll do that in a moment. Next we have, I'm going to put this under direct support. I think that's what I usually do. So this is from Venmo or Buy Me a Coffee, and this is direct support from subscribers, which I greatly appreciate. Decent amount, again, $358.55. Any of the money from this goes to my debt, so that's where that goes. And then final thing here is YouTube or Google AdSense, and had a nice amount in September. So this was from what I earned in August, and that was $908.15. The reason this is up so much is because I released quite a few videos around the student loan cancellation, which lots of people watch, so thank you for watching. I put multiple videos out back to back at the end of August, and that really, really helped. So that was exciting. And this is everything here, which comes to $1,640.73, which is great. This is gross income, so I do still have to pay taxes on this, by the way. I don't know if I usually say that, but I do put money aside each month to pay my taxes every quarter. Now we're gonna come to this, and I do need to make some corrections to these 2 numbers here because July and August are off, but let me go ahead and fill in September first. So this is 1,640.73. I hate to do this, but I don't know what other way. So August was actually 1,908.29, and then July was actually $1,227.96. So if we add up everything from quarter 3, it comes to $4,776.98. Not my best quarter, but better than last quarter. And if we add that all up, so quarter 1 through quarter 3, I'm at $13,142.52. So I do need to draw this line up. We're at 11, about 13, a little over the 13,000 mark. As I always say, not quite on track for the 25K that the goal is for 2022, but it's still possible. 12,000 away, I would have to make 4,000 each month for October, November, December to hit that, and I don't see that happening unless anything crazy happens. I don't see that happening, but it's okay. I'll get close to it, and all of this does help in general. Okay, let's move on to extra income. Smallest one is City cash back. I have the City custom card. City custom cash card. Definitely a tongue twister there, but okay. So that was $22.04. Next was Bank of America cash back. That was $22.95. Then it was Facebook Marketplace. A couple of months ago, I had picked up some pots and pans on the side of the road. They were in good shape. I posted them on Facebook Marketplace. One set of them, because I did pick up it was a bunch. I picked up 2 sets of pans, pots and pans, but I sold one on Facebook Marketplace for $55. So happy about that. And then final thing, Discover Cashback, one of my favorite credit cards. That was $104.13. This actually includes one referral, which I'll put here. So not the strongest extra income month, but $204.12 total definitely helps out. It truly does add up. And I remember somebody, I can't remember exactly the comment, but they were saying how even the smaller numbers, like for Mediavine, even though it's not that much, it does really add up throughout the years. That really made me feel better about my numbers. And I'm not complaining about these numbers. I always say this, but I've been working on my side hustles for a really, really long time. So they should be higher than this. I also, if you break down the number of hours that I work on my side hustles and, divide it into these numbers, I'm literally making like just a few dollars per hour, probably not even. So I do quite a bit of work, and I don't mind doing it because that's like my favorite thing to do of all the stuff that I do. But yeah, I should be making more based off of how much effort I put in. But if you add up like what I've made from coaching so far this year, like it literally covers a month of rent. It covers more than a month of rent. Same thing with like almost Mediavine. Mediavine is almost a month of rent, which is awesome. And by the end of the year, for sure, it will be at that. I mean, you saw the total so far, over $13,000. That is the bulk of my rent for the year. So it is kind of cool that, this is something, and that's just my online income. So this is something that is helping me out significantly, and it has been well worth it in the long run. Okay, let's go over my expenses. First up is Google Workspace. I have 2 accounts with that, so $6 each. That is $12 even. Unfortunately, this is going up, like doubling in price, or I think like 10 something per account that I have. So yeah, I'll be paying $20 per month going forward, more than that. And then I did purchase a material, I'll call it a sample because that's what it is. So I designed, it's a very simple design, but I put a quote or some text on a sweatshirt, and I got a sample of that because it's like my motto. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I don't know if I want to make it available and start selling them or anything, but it will cost me quite a bit of money to do that. So I did order a sample that was $36.94, and then the final thing was Final Cut Pro, actually, which was $299.99. Final Cut Pro is an editing software, so that's how I edit my videos, how I edit this one that you're watching. I had a 90-day free trial, and I just decided to go ahead and purchase it because now that I've gotten used to it, it is much easier than what I was using before and has sped up my process of editing. So I think it's worth it. Plus it's a one-time fee, and that's fine. Altogether, This comes to $348.93 for business expenses. And the great thing about business expenses is you can write them off. I always set the goal of wanting to hit over $2,000 between my online and extra income. This was a little over $1,800, so close to it, but not quite there. But that's all right. I'm just going to continue what I do. Every little bit helps, and then we just always are working toward making more because it helps even more. But comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.